The right home or the right piece of land can shape the way that you live for years to come. That's why real estate deserves more than just listings and comps. It deserves vision, guided by design and build experience. In Northern Virginia, every property carries layers, from zoning, site conditions, and long-term value to what's truly possible on the land. Our vacation-style living real estate services bring architectural insight, construction knowledge, and market expertise together so every real estate decision supports your lifestyle and your long-term goals. Led by Francisca Alonso, she is the CEO and co-founder of AV Architects and Builders and a licensed realtor. She became a realtor so she could help her clients through every step of their dream home process. Francisca can help you evaluate a property not just for what it is today, but also for what it has the potential to become. Whether you're finding land, purchasing a home, selling, or investing, you gain a clear architectural and builder's perspective and expertise. Everything under one roof. One of the biggest advantages for our clients is access to real estate, architecture, and construction services all in one place. Our involvement can be as light touch or as full service as you need. Number 1. Find buildable land. Looking to build your custom home from the ground up? We'll help you find the perfect lot or land in Northern Virginia with a comprehensive feasibility assessment. Our team can evaluate zoning, topography, utilities, and buildability. Number 2, buy a move-in ready home. Searching for your forever home but not looking to build? Our team can help you find a luxury move-in ready home that checks every box. With access to exclusive listings across the Northern Virginia market and expert market insight, we'll match you with a home that fits your lifestyle. Number 3, sell strategically. When it's time to move on, we'll help you sell your current home quickly and strategically, from pricing and staging to marketing and negotiations. Our licensed real estate team provides full-service support to ensure you get top value. Number 4, invest with perspective. We review properties for long-term potential through design and construction realities, not just short-term trends. Architect-led real estate explained. Without expert insight, buyers risk purchasing land that can't support their vision. Sellers may miss opportunities to position a property correctly, and investors may overlook the true potential of a site. With our combined expertise, we can help you answer questions like, does the lot support your future home and desired design? Should you renovate an existing home or tear down and build new? What kind of site costs can be expected? And will this property support our lifestyle? Real estate decisions shape decades of daily life, not just one transaction. By approaching real estate through an architect-led lens, we help our clients make decisions that are informed, strategic, and realistic. What makes VSL Real Estate unique? What makes our approach unique is integration. Because we are architects, builders, and licensed real estate professionals, we can guide you through real estate decisions with your future home already in mind. Whether you choose to design and build with us or simply want expert guidance, our goal is the same: to help you make decisions that feel aligned, intentional, and bring you closer to living the life you want. Real estate is more than a transaction. It's the foundation of the life that you're building next. With vacation-style living real estate, you gain the calm confidence of having a realtor who is also an architect builder. So every decision is grounded in what's possible, what's practical, and what feels right for you. If you're looking to buy, sell, invest, or find land in Northern Virginia, reach out to us and let's start the conversation. If you're still exploring, visit our Learning Center for insights on real estate, design, and construction. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more guidance on modern home design and intentional living. That's all for today. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!